This is the Bissell Little Green Premier. I bought this for myself to use around the house. It's pretty simple little units. Got this at Costco for just under $100. So it does come with a few extras. Comes with 8 ounces of the cleaning solution, as well as a few tools. But apparently this unit heats up, as all of these small Bissell compact spot cleaners do. Heat wave technology. 2-year limited warranty. Not that I would ever bother collecting on it, but it's there if you need it. And you can see here, pause to read if you want. So let's go ahead and open it up. It's like warranty and instruction manual. 3-in-1 stair tool. Wide brush tool. Have a few more parts in here. This looks like part of the tool mounts. Crevice tool. And the cord wrap. That's all of it. So with our handy guide here, they tell you everything you need to do to put it together. So we're going to get this little piece here. That's for the hose. And this apparently just latches on right here. Now we have the side cord retainer. And we have the other tool mount here. Just like that. Then we have this little guy. That just goes right there. So just grab the hose, stick it into this bracket. Mostly like that. Now just wrap the cord up around the outside here. So all we have left over are the 3 tools, the bottle of solution, and this tool here, which apparently this is a hose cleaner tool. So I'll have to show you guys this once we're all done. So removing the tanks on these units is pretty simple. If you've used the older machines, it's really the same concept, but you just push them out just like that from the top. This is the dirty water tank. Reinstall just like that. Clean water tank, same way. So we're going to take this over to the sink, put some solution and water in it, and we'll be right back. So I only filled it up down to there just because I only have a couple spots I'm going to use this thing on right now. But I'm just going to pour some in. And that took us up to the fill line for the formula. So all we do now is toss it back in. And by the way, this is warm water. So it does say to put warm water in when you fill it up. All right, so I've got a couple spots here where the cat decided to hack up some fur balls. And all you do with these, you undo your hose, just like that. And in order to put your tools on, just grab your tool, and this little detent right here goes right there. Just like that. Now, pull that off. When you want to use this, all you're going to do with the machine on is just pull this trigger, and that's going to shoot your solution out of that little nozzle. We're going to turn it on. Just like that. got one more. And that's it. Clean those spots just fine. So to remove the tool, down on the detent, pull it off. And now what this does is this cleans out the inside of your hose. So you just put it on like this. You're going to turn the machine back on. That's all it does. So I've used the older models of these. They made 10, 15 years ago, and they always seem to work good. For what these are, for how much you pay for them, they're very inexpensive. They work well for small spots. Anything larger, you know, get an upright unit. Now we're gonna try out the crevice tool. This is how easy it is to clean this thing out. I figured I would just show you all who are watching this video how to do it. So this is the dirty water tank. Just has some clear, clean water in it. Just take it over to, you can empty it in the toilet, that's preferable, but I'm doing it in the sink just because it's only water. So all you do is you just undo this little cap right here, pull out the center piece, and then dump it out. Now there is a small drain hole here at the top. You can use that, but if there's a lot of thick debris in here, I would recommend just taking it out this way, dumping it all in the toilet, being done with it. Then wash it out in your sink or your bathtub or, you know, whatever else. Take it outside and spray it out with the garden hose if you want, but that's the easiest way to do this. But other than that, I would definitely recommend this one. Even though that this is just an updated model, the tanks on it, they look bigger. I'm not sure if they are bigger, but for under $100 at Costco, I think they sell these for $135 or $140 on Amazon. They're very much worth it. And in all honesty, I've been meaning to get one for a while. So I'm going to turn this thing back on. The video is done for now. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more.